find time to just breathe. Become still. Stop moving for a moment. Notice, how do you inhale? Are you inhaling through your nose or your mouth? See if you can inhale through your nose. Now notice how long your breath is. Where does it stop? Does it go to your chest or travel all the way down to your belly? Now put one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Do you feel your chest and belly rising up? Now pause for a moment and super slowly let the air out. Now inhale again. And see if you can match your exhale with your inhale. Now stay here and keep noticing. Inhale. Exhale. Take 2 more breaths in your own rhythm. Being aware of your inhale. Being aware of your exhale. Now gently roll the shoulders up. And then gently roll the shoulders back and down. Slowly blink your eyes open. And have a fantastic day. Namaste.